Welcome back to Hot Car Track and Mount Western Raceway. This is round 27 and tonight we have two ladies on the track. Let's have a look at them. Lisa Smith, the current club champion, is driving that mighty Auburn 852 for 100 proof racing. She wiped out the toe jam and she's here again to make this the double. Back on the track is Team Metalmania 3D Diecast Workshop, all the way from Tassie, Australia. Sess is behind the wheel of the Parson Gasser. She's taken on Lisa Smith in the Auburn 852. Good luck, ladies. I can't wait to see what happens tonight.
Let the hot rods begin. Race 1. Unbelievable DNF.
That's right, MC, that was unbelievable. Look at that, right at the finish line we've seen some DNFs, but not like this one.
Race 2. Winner, Lisa Smith in the Auburn 852 and Sess with a big slam.
We better check out the brakes on that Parson Gasser with Sess behind the wheel. Lisa Smith gets her first win tonight.
Race 3. Winner, Sess and the Parson Gasser from Metalmania 3D.
Sess and the Parson Gasser squares everything up.
Race 4. Winner, Lisa Smith in the Auburn 852 for 100 proof racing.
Man, that was a close finish. Lisa Smith in the Auburn 852. She's ahead by 1.
Race 5. Smith on that Auburn 852 for 100 proof racing.
Lisa Smith, on behalf of 100 proof racing, the Auburn 852, gets her second win right here on Hot Rods. Well, here's your top 10. Lisa Smith with her second win right here on Mount Western Raceway, slowly climbing the ladder. Some beautiful racing right here tonight in Hot Rods. These guys are very well suited. Coming out of turn 1 though, Sess and the Parson Gasser just spin out and this just leaves it wide open for Lisa. Off she goes in the Auburn 852. No problems at all. However, this late charge by the Parson Gasser right over. What a great stack. Heading into race 3, it's like who's going to win this? The Parson Gasser is just blocking Lisa in the Auburn 852. Look at how close they are. They go into turn 2, they're even, they're head to head, and check this out. Parson Gasser with Sess behind the wheel crosses the line. Sensational driving. Let's head into race 4, and I love this race. Look at this, there's Sess and the Parson Gasser right out front. Lisa's trying to catch up. Man, these guys are just going hard. Bit of a slam dunk out of turn 2, and it's tied up right here. What's going on? Who's got it? It's Lisa in the Auburn 852. How close was that, folks? Man, I could watch these guys race all day, but it's Lisa in race 5. Look at this perfect line she takes out of turn 1, right down Mount Western Straight. Sess and the Parson Gasser is trying to catch up, but it's that low turn that Lisa does in the Auburn 852 that secures her second championship in the Club Championship 2020 Hot Rods. Sess, you drove hard and you fought all the way to the end. We will see you back on the track with a new hot rod very soon. Here you go, Lisa Smith driving for 100 proof racing in the Auburn 852 gets her second win on Hot Rods. Congratulations. Next Monday night, back on the track is NZ Racing. This time, Mr. Dan and Harry are behind the wheel of the So Fast. They're taking on Lisa Smith, who's driving the Auburn 852. See you then, Aussie time, Monday night. Catch ya.